Something has just been discovered. Something so enormous, so incomprehensibly vast, it might make us question everything we thought we knew about the universe. It's not a planet, not a galaxy, not even a galaxy cluster. This is bigger, much bigger. A structure so massive it stretches across more than 1.3 billion light-years. That's over 10,000 times the size of the Milky Way. Imagine millions of galaxies, connected like threads, spanning the void of space in a cosmic web. Scientists have given this mystery a name, Quipu. But what exactly is Quipu? Where did it come from? And why does its existence shake the very foundations of modern astronomy? This is not just a discovery. It could be the beginning of a completely new understanding of the universe. Over the past few decades, astronomers have been trying to map the large-scale structure of the universe, a cosmic web of matter connecting galaxies, clusters, and voids like a vast, invisible framework. Using data from deep sky surveys and galaxy catalogs, scientists scan the sky for unusual patterns, dense regions, and strange alignments. That's when they stumbled upon something they couldn't ignore. An enormous alignment of galaxy clusters, stretching farther than anything ever recorded. It wasn't a galaxy, it wasn't even a supercluster. It was something else entirely. Larger, denser, and more mysterious. A structure so vast, it defies easy explanation. And suddenly, the question changed from, "What is this?" to, "How could this possibly exist?" Quipu is what scientists are now calling the largest known structure in the universe. It's not a single object, but a massive chain of galaxy clusters, each cluster containing hundreds, even thousands of galaxies, all connected in a long, thread-like formation. Stretching across 1.3 billion light-years, Quipu is more than just enormous. It challenges how we understand the formation of the universe itself. According to current cosmology, matter should only clump together up to a certain scale. After that, everything should smooth out. But Quipu defies this rule. It's as if the universe itself left a scar, a cosmic anomaly stitched across space-time. Named after the ancient Incan knot record system, Quipu represents both structure and mystery, a web of galaxies tied together in a pattern we don't yet understand. And the more we look at it, the more questions arise. Quipu wasn't discovered through a telescope pointed at the night sky. In fact, no one saw it directly. Instead, astronomers found it while analyzing massive cosmic data sets, maps of where matter is distributed across the universe. Using advanced algorithms and AI-powered tools, researchers studied the positions of hundreds of thousands of galaxies. They were looking for general patterns, but what they found was something far more specific. A colossal alignment of galaxy clusters stretching across more than 1 billion light-years. It didn't match anything predicted by standard models. At first, they thought it might be an error, a glitch in the data. But after rechecking and confirming from multiple sky surveys, the pattern held. This wasn't just noise, it was real. A hidden thread in the fabric of the universe, waiting to be uncovered. And now, it had a name. Just how big is Quipu? Let's try to put it in perspective. The Milky Way, our home galaxy, is about 100,000 light-years wide. Quipu stretches more than 13,000 times that distance. Even the Laniakea supercluster, which contains our galaxy and thousands of others, is dwarfed by Quipu's scale. Imagine lining up millions of galaxies in a thread, and that thread still continues, vanishing into the dark. If you could travel at the speed of light, it would still take you 1.3 billion years to cross from one end of Quipu to the other. That's 10 times longer than complex life has existed on Earth. On the map of the universe, Quipu looks like a scar, a massive cosmic tendon stitched into space itself. It's not just big, it's incomprehensible. the kind of size that makes everything else feel small. Quipu isn't the first massive structure we've discovered in the cosmos. In fact, astronomers have been uncovering colossal formations for decades. There's the Sloan Great Wall, stretching over 1.3 billion light-years, once considered the largest. Then came the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, even more immense, challenging the limits of our understanding. And of course, there's Laniakea, our home supercluster, which contains the Milky Way and thousands of other galaxies. But Quipu feels different. It's not just big, it's unusually linear, tightly aligned, almost intentional in shape. While the others seem like chaotic clumps or massive arcs, Quipu resembles a thread, as if woven into the fabric of space. Are these giant structures just coincidences? Or are they revealing some deeper pattern we've yet to understand? The more we find, the more mysterious the universe becomes. According to the standard model of cosmology, the universe should become more uniform on large scales. Structures like galaxies and clusters can form, but only up to a certain size. Beyond that, everything should smooth out. But Quipu doesn't fit. It's too big, too structured, too coherent. Its existence alone challenges the very foundation of how we think the universe evolved after the Big Bang. Some physicists are now questioning whether our current models are missing something fundamental. Is dark matter behaving differently than we assumed? Is gravity acting in strange ways over enormous distances? Or are we simply seeing an illusion caused by how we observe the universe? Whatever the answer is, Quipu forces us to confront the possibility that our map of reality might be wrong. And that thought is both terrifying and exhilarating. No one knows how Quipu formed. Its shape, its alignment, its sheer scale all defy our current understanding of cosmic evolution. Did it emerge naturally from dark matter interacting over billions of years? Or does it hint at something deeper, a hidden order in the universe we've yet to detect? Could structures like Quipu exist elsewhere, far beyond our observable horizon? And if so, what does that say about the true architecture of reality? Some scientists even wonder whether we're seeing an illusion, a trick of perspective caused by warped space-time or limitations in how we map distant galaxies. Others ask a more profound question. Is Quipu a coincidence or a clue? A message written in the structure of the cosmos, waiting for us to decipher it. Whatever the answer is, one thing is clear. The universe is far stranger and more complex than we ever imagined. In the grand silence of space, Quipu stands like a whisper, a thread stretching across time and reality. It reminds us that the universe is not only vast, but full of secrets we've barely begun to uncover. For every answer science gives us, the cosmos responds with even bigger questions. Is Quipu a fluke, or part of a deeper pattern woven into existence itself? One thread among many, all hidden, waiting to be found. Whatever it is, Quipu changes how we look at the night sky. Because somewhere out there, beyond our understanding, the universe is speaking. Not in words, but in structures, in alignments, in impossible patterns. And maybe, just maybe, we're finally starting to listen. If this cosmic mystery stirred your imagination, there's so much more ahead. What do you think Quipu really is? Drop your theories in the comments below. And if you enjoy exploring the unknown corners of the universe with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because this is only the beginning.